Vegan discretion.
What do you have to say to the vegans?
I'm sorry. Yo, what's up everyone? Vinny Say here. Welcome back to my channel. Alright, so today I got my certified Filipino friend because we are gonna go try, how do you even say it?
Balut.
Balut! Balut! If you don't know what balut is, it's a Filipino street food. It's a duck embryo that people boil and eat it from the shell.
That song changed.
Alright. I don't even think I introduced you to, I just said you were my certified Filipino. So this is GuiLCON.
My name is GuiLCON. I'm 21, Gemini. I like long walks on the beach and horseback riding.
We got kind of hungry, so we decided to get some food. So I got the top log, which is beef, egg, and rice, and it's usually a breakfast food, but I'm eating it for lunch.
Some Moby Choco Cum. Doesn't that smell good, bro?
Oh yeah. Let me try one.
Don't that slap?
Alright, so earlier you saw me with GuiLCON, but he had to leave. But I found another certified Filipino, JR. So my girlfriend's here.
Hi.
Gross.
Yeah.
It smells kind of.
Doesn't it smell good? I don't
Not to
know.
me.
Quiet on set.
Here's the balut. Alright.
You're in for a surprise.
How do I even know?
Crack it over the thing. Just.
Oh, it looks like the soup is right there.
This does not smell good.
You don't like the smell?
Ooh! You like this smell?
Yes.
Wait, this is really hard. Is this not the
It's
bottom?
supposed to be the. Yeah, that part's supposed to be hard.
Look at this so far.
Oh. Beautiful.
That's the best part.
I know.
Oh, weird.
Is it good? Is it good?
That part was good, yeah. It's like soup.
Okay, you just gotta eat the top first. Put a little salt.
Oh my god, that's a feather. That hard part, I don't really like it.
Smells nice.
It tastes like, you know, in a bone that really, it's like the cartilage. Doesn't really have a taste, but this.
Let me see. Oh, okay. Don't look at it. Just eat
Okay.
it. Just eat it.
Oh, that's pretty good. It's like a boiled egg. I'm gonna eat this other one.
It's funny because like some people, as soon as they see the bottom part, they're really disgusted.
Yeah, it looks, it's pretty disgusting looking, but.
Vegans be warned. I've had this once where the head was still intact.
That's what I'm trying to find. I'm trying to find the head.
Oh my god. I did not think he would like it. So crazy.
Man,
Conclusions.
should have bought 3.
Thoughts.
I would recommend if you crazy like that.
What does it taste like?
It just tastes like a boiled egg, but like not the kind of boiled egg you would like, if that makes sense. I could see why people don't like this, but I like this.
Vegan discretion.
What do you have to say to the vegans?
I'm sorry. All right, Balut challenge complete. Balut challenge complete. All right, guys, thanks for checking out the vlog. So rating wise, I'd probably give that Balut like Balut. How do you say it? Balut. Probably give it like a 7 out of 10. Comment below what other crazy foods I should eat. Go ahead and follow this man. Go ahead.
JRT.
Do it. JRTV. Going to a surprise birthday party, so here's footage of that.
Yo, what's up, everyone? This is JR taking over Fitz's vlog.
I didn't even take my shoes off.